You were asked to simplify the expression as much as possible, leaving no negative or fractional exponents, which means our answer here should be in a radical if it's not ending up being whole numbers. So first thing I'm going to do on this one is I have a variable here raised to a power, raised to another power. I'm going to use my exponent rules to tell me that power of a power, I can multiply those together. So really in this one, I'm going to be doing x to the power of 2/3 times 2, which in this case becomes x to the power of 4/3. And like technically I would be done with that as there's nothing necessarily wrong with x to the power of 4/3, but very specifically it was asked for us to simplify it all the way and to not have fractional exponents. So a couple ways to look at this. I'm going to talk about it in two different ways. First of all, I know 4/3 is 1 1/3. So that's the same thing as x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1/3. Or another way to do this is that this denominator here of 3 really means that I'm doing the cube root of x to the power of 4 because of that numerator. And then I could break this down to see like 1, 2, 3. There are actually 4 x's here. I can group up 3 of them, which leaves me with x cube root of x. So either one of these, again, this one here would then turn into x times the cube root of x. So either one of them will get me x cube root x, but just depends on what you feel comfortable with. Whether you put it into a radical and then simplify it, or simplify it first and then put it into a radical. So our final answer here should be x times the cube root of x.